Hello, let's start our demo. First of all, we need to log into our system. Let's use our members account, our faculty's account. Here the account is one. I'm using some password. Okay, it will tell you that username does not exist. If a username is correct but the password is not, and then we'll tell you the password is not correct. If both correct, we can log into the system. First of all, this is a search screen. Here is a menu pane. You can select one of the 4 functions, and this is a help text. Okay, let's first search for something like Java. We can search by title, by ISBN, by author, and by genre. You see, we got this book. We can also search by education, by genre. You can also get it. And when clicking, we can see all the copies are available. And here the blue one is one has been borrowed, and the green one is one that is available. We can click on the reserve to reserve the borrowed one. Okay, then the reserve is successful. We can also borrow some books. To borrow, we need a copy ID. Here is a copy ID for each individual copy. If the copy ID is wrong, it will tell you that copy ID does not exist. Okay, let's input the correct one. Here you can get the details of this copy. Once you have verified that this copy is what you want, you can click on the confirm. Here you can the grant of the loan is the request of the loan is granted. If you click again, it will tell you that the book has been borrowed by another user, which is effectively you. And then we can check our holdings. Here is the book we have reserved, and here is the book we have borrowed. We can click on the reserved items and see this book is being reserved by me. Here is another book I can reserve. The copy has been borrowed by the user. You cannot reserve any book that you have borrowed, and that is the rule. Okay, let's go back to the holdings. For the borrowed items, you can extend the loan duration. You can extend 1 time, 2 times, 3 times for faculty. When you extend 1 last time, it will give you an error. You are not able to extend this book any further. Okay. Now here is a history of our holdings. When you place a cursor over the title, it will give you full title if it's not shown. Okay. I also can cancel reserved items. If I change my mind, I will cancel it. Confirm the action, and this reservation has been cancelled. Can search for this book, and here it's available to be reserved again. Let's reserve it again. Okay. Let's change into another user. Okay. Let's see we search for the same book. Here we can see this is the book borrowed by another one reserved by the first user. This book is available, and this book is borrowed by him also. I can click on the reserve, and this book is being reserved. We can also borrow books. It's another book, and this is a description of this book. Confirm. The book has been borrowed by another user, and thus we cannot borrow this book. Okay, let's get another copy of it. Yeah, and here we can see this book has been successfully borrowed. Let's not extend for now. Let's change it back to the first user. Okay. Here is the one has been just borrowed by another user, and if we reserve this item and reservation is successful, I can say the next the other member cannot extend it anymore. Let's say I want to extend this copy. This book has already been reserved by another user, so you cannot extend this book any further. Okay. What if someone has the book has overdue and has not returned? He will be imposed a fine and cannot perform any action. Okay, this user has some book that's overdue, and let's say what will happen if he tries to borrow. Sorry. Okay, confirm. Your account is suspended. Same thing if you have a search for a book and would like to reserve, but also is not able to do so. And we can say the holdings extend. You can say this book is due by 11 April and today is 21st of April, and thus he's not able to borrow this book. He's not able to borrow any book, and thus he needs to be reset fine by the administrator. And now let's go back to the administrator view, which is librarian. Okay. First of all, librarian can perform functions like return a book, reset file for member, and update the catalog. Okay, we can return a book. Confirm. And this book has been returned. Okay. Let's reset file for the user. Let's first return the book. Okay. Then this user has a fine, and this is 100 rupiah. It's been paid by the user. Okay. Now just go to the reset fine view. Okay, the user has a fine of 100 rupiah. Once the user has paid to the librarian, and he can reset the fine. And this member is free to perform other actions. And the last, librarian can perform functions like update the catalog. You input the items here, the items details, and then you can add a new item. And after adding new item, you can add new copies into this item. The only thing that is unique to the copy is a location. Here is what you need to specify in the copy. Okay, then that's all for the demo. Thank you.